Good morning, Jets. Today is Wednesday, 11/4, the day after Election Day. I hope you were able to go into discussion questions, and there are two things in there. From 11/3, I want you to be able to cast your vote for president, and then today until Friday, there is a form that we would like you to fill out to honor our veterans. So those are in Canvas, and those are your discussion questions. Today in Benchmark, you are going to be reading Saving Clayton House, and that's pages 2 through 19. So when you open it up, please do a picture walk, look through, make a prediction about what you're going to be reading. It's realistic fiction. And right here, these are the genre features that you always will find within realistic fiction. So those are interesting points. All right, and after you do your reading, you are going to be able to answer these questions. Okay, this one here. Look back on pages 4 and 5. What does the picture on the page 4 and 5 show? And then explain, how does that help you understand that certain part of the story? How does the picture help you? How does the illustration give you more information or to make a connection with the text? And then same thing here. Page 5, the information that's on page 5. What will happen to the senior citizens if Billy decides not to help? Okay, look for that information. 9 and 10. There's a title of chapter 2, and it's A Pot of Gold. It tells you what is likely to happen in the story. Think about what happens at the end of chapter 1, and then maybe why the author included chapter 2. 17 through 19. What evidence is in there that Mr. Johnson is very grateful for what Billy has done? What evidence is there that Mr. Johnson is very grateful for what Billy has done? Look for that. The evidence is always words or a phrase or a sentence that you can pick up out of the text and write on your paper. And then here, it's writing a response. This says write 2 sentences about how the community helped Clayton House. Write a third sentence suggesting something else they could have done to help. When you are writing this, I would still like you to use yes, ma'am, when answering any of these questions. So do your best to restate the question, answer it short and sweet. The text states, okay, so you're going to have 2 sentences. So the text states, and then the text also states. At the very end, don't forget to make your inferences about any connections you have made with the text, or how you know, or you can let the reader know that you understand the text. But then also come up with a suggestion of something else they could have done to help. Okay, Jets, I hope you have a great day. Practice your spelling words in Spelling City and working on your vocab slides. Also, in your magazine, if you look at page 10 and 11, we are working through building the vocabulary chart today, working on our grammar and language throughout our text that we've been reading. And then we are also going to work on number 3, using text evidence across your text. The Fargo flood volunteers were good citizens, and how are being a government worker and voting examples of being a good citizen. Okay, so go back in your text and you will cite evidence about how being a government worker and voting are examples of being a good citizen. Okay, Jets, have a great day. Bye.